to create a Gmail account on mobile, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mohammed Ishaq, your trusted tech guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account on your mobile device step by step. Let's get started. Gmail is one of the most popular email services by Google. It's essential for accessing various Google services like YouTube, Google Drive, and more. To create a new Gmail account, you can either open the Gmail app or head to your phone's settings. Let's use the Gmail app for this tutorial. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then tap Add Another Account. Google Account, selecting Google from the options, Google from the list. Now you'll see the option to sign in or create an account. Tap on Create Account, then select For Myself. Enter personal info. Show filling in the first and last name. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Date of birth and gender. Show entering date of birth and selecting gender. Now, fill in your date of birth and select your gender. This information helps Google personalize your experience. Show typing a unique username and handling suggestions. Next, choose a unique Gmail address, also known as your username. If your first choice isn't available, Google will suggest alternatives. Now, create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it secure. Tapping Next. Scroll down through the terms and conditions and accept. Review Google's terms and conditions. Scroll to the bottom and tap I agree. Gmail account created. Show the new inbox appearing. And that's it. Your new Gmail account is created and ready to use. You can now send and receive emails, access Google services, and much more. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.